How to set feature policy. Policy. Click the Add Policy button. Set the policy name. Enter the policy name and description. Target device group. Select corresponding target device group. Click the plus button. Choose features. 1 screen capture. Disable screen capture. Forbidden to take screenshots at the device end. The hardware screenshot keys are disabled. To camera FaceTime. Disable cameras. Forbidden to cameras at the device end. FaceTime. Disable FaceTime. Do not allow access to the FaceTime application. For Siri. Disable Siri. Prevent users from using Siri across all Apple devices. Touch ID. Disable Touch ID. Prevent users from unlocking the device using fingerprint biometrics. 6 AirDrops. Disable AirDrop. Prevent data transfer between iOS and Mac devices over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Seven apps can modify cellular data usage. Disable apps to modify cellular data usage. Prevent applications from changing cellular data settings. iMessage. Disable iMessage. Do not allow the use of the iMessage application. Install configuration profile. Disable configuration profile installation. Prevent installation of configuration profiles.